Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the default submit button text on your Mailchimp form. This is a simple customization that can make your forms feel more personalized and aligned with your brand's messaging. So let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, press enter to access the Mailchimp homepage. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. Click on it and sign in using your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Forms. This will expand a menu with several options related to form management. From the expanded menu, select Other Forms. This section houses all the different types of forms you can create and customize within Mailchimp. You'll now be directed to a page displaying a list of all your active and drafted forms in your Mailchimp account. Take a moment to scroll down through this list and look for the Sign Up Landing Page form. This is the specific form type where we'll be editing the Submit button text, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your sign-up form. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify this form later, especially if you manage multiple forms. Once you've entered the name, click to continue. Now you'll be presented with Mailchimp's form templates. Browse through the available options and select one that suits your needs. Clicking on your chosen template will take you directly to the form editor page, where all the customization magic happens. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing options clearly. On the form editor page, look carefully for the subscribe or submit button. This button is typically located towards the bottom of your form preview. Once you've found it, click directly on the button. This action will open up the button's customization panel on the side of your screen. Scroll down within this customization panel until you see a field labeled button text. By default, this field will likely say subscribe, but this is exactly what we're here to change. Click inside this field and clear out the existing text. Now enter the button text you wish to use instead. For example, you might want something more action-oriented like continue. Next, save or apply depending on what makes the most sense for your form's purpose and your audience's expectations. Once you've entered your new button text and you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save and Close. This will save all your changes and close the editor. Your Mailchimp form now has a customized submit button that better reflects your brand's voice and guides users more effectively through your sign-up process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.